pulling my legs into my core, activating at end range. So that's instead of coming down here and kind of letting go or trying to push my tissues into the very end of their range. Hi gang, welcome to Pose of the Week, and today I'm going to show you long side angle pose with the socks. And this is where, again, we're developing activation at end range. We're keeping muscles active at end range, and we're developing range of control, which is so much better than passive range of motion. So I'm not going to be standing on my mat except with my one foot, because I need to slide. So again, you could use a yoga blanket for this or put on a pair of socks, but here's how we'll start. So I've got my foot planted. I'm organized and energized or activated in this foot, dialing it out. And so now I'm going to slide down into long side angle, and you can start this with elbow just above the knee, and then you're coming back up out of the pose. Organize and activate, coming down, and then coming out of the pose. So what I'm doing, remember, is I'm eventually increasing my range of control. So maybe eventually I want to put my hand on a block or bring it all the way to the ground. And then you can see it's a much more challenging to come all the way up. So I'm down, I'm coming all the way back up, pulling my legs into my core, activating at end range. So that's instead of coming down here and kind of letting go or trying to push my tissues into the very end of their range. I want to be up a little bit higher where I can actually turn muscles on and come out of the pose. Added benefit of this that you might not think of is that when I'm keeping my muscles turned on and I'm active at my end range, it means my muscles are working quite hard. It means they're going to get stronger, but also it means I'm burning lots of calories and I'm creating a lot of internal heat. So I'm not depending on the room I go into to develop heat in my body. I'm building my own heat here through muscle activation. Long term, what does that mean? It means that I'm building muscles that are going to always be burning calories. And there's a metabolic cost to building muscle and to keeping muscles active. And that is what actually helps maintain a healthy body weight. Not going into a hot room and having heat imposed on your body. That's not actually going to have the result that you might think. So here we are, long side angle, active at end range, active throughout the entire range, and developing our range of control. That one's a little bit harder than the one I showed you last week. So go slow, work with the range you have now, and trust that if you practice with that, it's going to widen your range of control over time. You just have to do the work, and it's going to work. Trust me, it does. I'll see you on the next video, okay? See you next week. Get practicing, get your socks on. I'll see you over there. Bye for now.